Public speaking is an essential skill that can enhance career opportunities, boost confidence, and improve communication. Whether speaking at a formal event, delivering a presentation, or simply addressing a group, mastering public speaking can make a significant difference. Here are some effective strategies to improve public speaking skills. 1. Practice regularly. The more you practice, the more comfortable you become. Rehearse your speech in front of a mirror, record yourself, or practice with friends and family. Repetition helps refine your delivery and build confidence. 2. Know your audience. Understanding your audience allows you to tailor your message effectively. Consider their interests, knowledge level, and expectations to make your speech more engaging and relatable. 3. Organize your content. Structure your speech with a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. Use storytelling, statistics, and examples to make your points compelling and memorable. 4. Work on your delivery. Your tone, pitch, and pace play a crucial role in delivering an impactful speech. Avoid speaking too fast or too slow, and use pauses to emphasize important points. 5. Improve your body language. Maintain eye contact, use gestures naturally, and stand confidently. Avoid nervous habits like fidgeting or pacing excessively, as they can distract your audience. 6. Manage your fear and anxiety. It is normal to feel nervous before speaking. Practice deep breathing exercises, visualize success, and focus on your message rather than your fear. Over time, your anxiety will decrease with experience. 7. Engage with the audience. Interaction helps keep your audience interested. Ask questions, encourage participation, and be open to feedback. A conversational approach makes speeches more dynamic. 8. Use visual aids wisely. These slides, charts, and images can enhance your speech, but they should complement your words, not overshadow them. Keep visual aids simple and clear. 9. Learn from experienced speakers. Watch TED Talks, attend public speaking events, or follow great speakers. Observe their techniques and adapt what works best for you. 10. Join a public speaking group. Organizations like Toastmasters International provide opportunities to practice speaking in a supportive environment. Regular participation helps improve skills and build confidence. 11. Seek constructive feedback. Ask for feedback from peers, mentors, or coaches. Constructive criticism helps identify areas for improvement and refine your speaking abilities. 12. Stay confident and authentic. Confidence comes from preparation and practice. Believe in your message and speak with passion. Being authentic makes your speech more impactful and relatable. Conclusion. Improving public speaking skills takes time and effort, but with consistent practice and the right techniques, anyone can become an effective speaker. By focusing on preparation, delivery, audience engagement, and confidence-building strategies, you can master the art of public speaking and make a lasting impact.